QC 3.0 fast charge supported. UGREEN USB Type C charging cable supports Huawei FCP fast charge and QC 3.0 quick charge up to 3A max, which enables it to charge Qualcomm Quick Charge supported phones at full speed. It takes shorter than 2H to finish charging a Samsung S9, as fast as the original cable. Safe and reliable. UGREEN USB C cable fully complies with USB-C fast charge protocol and a built-in 56 kΩ pull-up resistor, upgraded intelligent chip with multi-protections inside. This Type-C charger provides reliable conductivity and stable charging current, protecting your smartphones from damage due to overcurrent or overvoltage. Broad compatibility. UGREEN USB-C rapid charge cable works greatly for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra S21, S20, S10, S9, S8, Z Flip 3, Z Fold 3, iPad Mini 6, iPad Pro 2021, iPad Air 4, LG G7 G8, V40, V50, PS5 DualSense controller, Motorola Razr 2019, Moto G7 G6, Moto Z Force, Nintendo Switch, GoPro Hero 8, Google Piex, other Type-C device. Enhanced durability. Unique aluminum alloy case with the reinforced connector withstand 10,000 plus plugging and unplugging test. Durable nylon braided cable not only stay tangling free but also flexible enough to be wrapped up and put in a bag. Fast data transfer. For data transmission, this USB-C to USB-A 2.0 fast charging cord supports syncing speed up to 480 megabits per second. Top reviews from the United States. Great short all-around cable. Mostly used this cable in my truck to connect to Android Auto and it hasn't failed through the temperature fluctuations, being bent around and being moved from outside and being used inside. Very durable and still looks just like new after a couple of months.